Radhe Radhe, you can see the first column being erected on the construction site of Hey Radhe Karunamayi Public Charitable Trust Old Age Home in Vrindavan. After the successful completion of the boundary wall, now we have begin construction of the foundation work of this old age home in Vrindavan. And as you can see, we have with us our major donor Shri Shyama ji, and we have the founding member Shyama Dasi ji, and both of them are the major people who are behind this project. And we also have received continuous support from many of you for the construction project in Vrindavan, and we seek ongoing support for a smooth and successful completion of this project. So this will be the first column, as you can see, and this will form the major foundation for the building. Like this, we have about 55 major pillars being erected, and today we are erecting the first column, and this will form the basic foundation for the project. To begin with, first we have done the excavation, and then we have leveled the ground. After leveling the ground, we have put the PCC, that is called plain concrete, above which they have put the steel mesh, upon which they are now erecting the pillar. This is called the column. So this is main steel work, and like this, the building will have about 55 columns all over, upon which we are constructing about 650 square yards of the construction work.